FORVIA is a global automotive technology supplier. FORVIA is focusing on becoming the preferred innovation and integration partner for OEMs worldwide. We combine seamless display, lighting, electronics, and modular architecture to create a multimodal cockpit experience. And then, we are able to individualize and personalize the experiences between driver and passenger based on their respective user needs.
One of the main challenges was the late integration of UX/UI into the overall development process. When UI elements were implemented, there was a little room left for testing and refinement. There was also a gap between design and physical implementation, needing multiple interactions. It was difficult for us to fill the gap between digital visualization and functional demonstrator. It would have been very interesting to do it in-house and connect with our VR environment. At the end, we had to limit control of the development tool. We are designers, not programmers. We realized that we need a smoother and more integrated process, starting much earlier and in parallel of development phase. We were already familiar with Incari and we appreciate their approach. No code, 3D first, and highly visual. What finally convinced us to contact them was their native integration into VRED, which is a core part of our visualization process.
We started by giving Incari a tough challenge: rebuild the UI of our 2023 demonstrator at high speed and with full functionality.
And we accepted the challenge. We set out to prove that Incari Studio is fast, efficient tool that reduces bottleneck and enables real-time feedback from early stage on. It took us 1.5 weeks to deliver a fully interactive HMI inside VRED with lighting, sound, haptics, and touch functionality working live.
Designers and engineers work together in the same environment, without the need for handovers, re-implementation, and switching between tools and workflows. Multimodal interactions, including audio, lighting, sound, and haptics, are supported from the very first beginning and can be tested from early stages on. Compared to traditional workflows, we think Incari can reduce the development time significantly. Developed in Incari Studio, HMIs can move towards series production in fewer steps. With Incari Studio, you always have full flexibility, whether you want to stop at a functional prototype or you take it all the way to series production. The choice is yours.
Incari has clearly demonstrated the added value that Incari Studio offers in terms of time and cost efficiency. Thanks to its seamless integration in VRED, which is already a core part of our workflow, Incari Studio appears as a very credible solution for us.